Hi, it's Kelly Savage with the Butterfly Thoughts Podcast. Welcome, and thank you for joining me as we take our transformation journey day by day, thought by thought, and we're doing it together. In a few short minutes a day, we provokingly reflect and challenge ourselves into a different perspective, starting with just one thought. I coined them butterfly thoughts because we need to be reminded transformation comes in stages and can bring about beauty for butterflies and our lives. Today's episode is bubble wrap, my friends. I sat at my desk today and I will confidently say that bubble wrap is the bomb. The ultimate stress reliever. Well, it is for me. Not sure why, but there is definitely something in me that bubble wrap speaks to. In fact, it is one of my best stress relievers that has crossed my path, and I have tried countless. I don't like stress, so whatever I can do to help myself with any type of stress, I'm all about it. Anyone who really knows me, they will give me bubble wrap to keep under my desk. It's true, it's been a lifesaver for me or my mouth or for someone else when I'm stressed. It's fun, it's easy, and most of the time it's free. You can get it out of some big packaging. But while I was popping it today, I did hear a butterfly thought. I was thinking, okay, it's Tuesday, and I feel like it's been a long week already. But yet I was finding it quite funny of how much relief I was having in this little activity. So the butterfly thought flew in and said there is nothing wrong with stress relievers. In fact, we all need them. We do all need them. I'm pretty sure everyone's stress reliever would not be bubble wrap. But before you knock it and make a decision on it, you should definitely try it. And not only pop in it, but take those shoes off, walk on it, try it with a little background music. The best are the big pops. Those little pops can just go away, but those big pops, either one at a time or pop in a handful, they're so much fun. I think I'm relieving my stress just thinking about it. Okay, before I get too sidetracked, what's your stress reliever? Could it be walking, working out, praying, time out, or time away with a friend? Could be writing, a punching bag, reading, screaming into a pillow. Yes, all of these are real, and all are ways that we could relieve stress that actually won't be harmful to others or harmful to ourselves. What is your stress reliever? If you really don't know, think about it. And I encourage you to try something to truly know what speaks to you. If you do know what it is, I encourage you to do it. Practice it. I could do a whole podcast on examples of stress relievers. But finding yours is as unique as every individual. The key is, if you don't know, reflect on what it could be. If you know, take the time to do it as you feel the stress come on. Do it for yourself, your health, and even those around you. Think of it as a preventative measure before we get to the point and act out of emotion, or we let the stress affect us in so many different ways that it can. And body, mind, and soul, it can affect us. Our choice point is practicing stress relievers as we start to feel the stress. And by choice point, I mean we do have a choice point in every turn of life. Every day is choosing this or that, and each choice, positive or negative, are ours to choose. Even if we were affected by others and didn't make the choice, we still can choose how we deal with that situation. Let me say that again. Even if a choice of someone else affected us and we didn't even have a say, we still have a choice of how we will respond or react. so the ball still does come back to us. So remember, if the bubble wrap thing is something that intrigued you, you might just want to try it. I'm smiling just thinking about it. You might even feel that through this podcast. Choose today that you will pick your bubble wrap type stress reliever and practice it. Here's to little stress relievers making a great big impact. Thank you for joining us today.